Alright guys, so back working on the Acura project. I got hopefully the final part that I need to get this thing running in the mail, which is a ignition switch. So here's the old one here, and I just freaked out a little bit because I noticed that this one doesn't have the same mount as that one does. Sorry. But I think I can go ahead and just unscrew that from itself. And then hopefully screw it onto that one so I can mount it to those two holes there. That slides in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and hopefully that works, fingers crossed. So I went ahead and put that on, but the screw was a bit too long. But I just went ahead and grinded that off, just went full send on it, because this thing better work, because I want this car to run. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in now. So that wouldn't fit in there before I ground that off. But now that looks like it lines up with the holes. We can plug all that stuff in after I screw that in. Alright guys, so I just got it all back together, and you can hear that beeping of the door open because I just cranked it over and it fired right up. So stoked on that, guys. I can't believe that actually fixed it. Seems to be maybe running a little bit rough still, but at least it's running. At least it's running. I don't know, that runs pretty good. Fuck yeah. That is awesome. Boys, yes! Alright, I'm going to open the door and a window, let this thing warm up, and I'm an asshole, so I just want to start revving it up, really. So yeah, she seems to be running good. I got the door open, got a little bit smoky in here when I a little bit of rev, but you know, it's been sitting for a long time. Yeah, she's running good. No power steering. Holy shit! Whoa! This thing revs to the moon. That was awesome. Oh my god. That's freaking sweet. Well, it's a shame it just snowed because, well, I couldn't really get it out, but potentially get it out. Hopefully the snow melts and the roads clear up, and we'll take it for a rip and see if it's quick or not. That's awesome. I'm so glad to have this thing running. It's been sitting in the shop for well over a month now, and it stopped running as soon as I brought it in, of course. But yeah, that is sweet. Fucking man. So I'm too excited, and I can't really get the car outside, so I'm gonna try something. Might be a little bit stupid if you can guess. Let's give it a go. Well, I stalled it, but it fucking spun him pretty good. That was sick. All right, take two. Look how close we were! Okay, that's enough before I break something. No e-brake, so we got to put her in some sort of gear. Alright guys, well I'm glad I got this car finally running after just sitting here at Burden. But basically, got to fix this car. Unfortunately, I didn't get the parts from the guy. I got some parts. I got a control arm right there. But hopefully this weekend I'll be able to get that trailing arm for this car. But yeah, in the meantime, I got this thing running mint, so that's freaking awesome. Hopefully the weather clears up soon so we can take it for a drive and see what this thing's got. If you want to buy it, hit me up. I promise I won't break it before I sell it. But yeah, anyways guys, like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. I'll see you in the next one.